Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study all night for an exam. First, identify the most crucial topics and concepts that will likely appear on your test. Gather all your textbooks, notes, and study guides in one organized place to avoid interruptions. Create a study plan that includes short, focused sessions, perhaps 45 to 60 minutes each, followed by brief 5-minute breaks to maintain concentration and prevent burnout. This structured approach is key to making the most of your limited time. To stay alert, hydration is crucial. Keep a water bottle nearby and sip regularly. Skip the heavy, sugary snacks and choose lighter, protein-rich options like nuts or fruit to sustain your energy levels without a crash. Actively engage with the material by quizzing yourself or explaining concepts aloud. This active recall method is far more effective than passive reading for solidifying information in your memory, helping you retain more during your intense study session. Your study environment significantly impacts your productivity. Make sure your space is brightly lit to keep you awake and focused, preventing eye fatigue. Eliminate all potential distractions. Put your phone on silent, close social media tabs, and inform others you need uninterrupted time. A comfortable room temperature, neither too hot nor too cold, will also help you concentrate better. A dedicated, distraction-free zone is essential for an effective all-night study session. After your intense study session, take a few minutes to quickly review your most critical notes right before the exam. This final glance can help solidify information. Once the exam is over, prioritize getting some quality rest to allow your brain and body to recover. Remember, consistent study habits are always best, but sometimes an all-nighter is necessary. Also, for a smarter way to keep your study space tidy, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.